Yeah, we're looking at a steam boiler replacement. I'm in the basement. It's a walkout basement. If you're looking at the house from the street, there's an access to outside on a side door. There's some steps that leads to the driveway. I'm going to check that out in a moment. The boiler is located in a utility room. Yeah, check the width of this door. It's 27 inch with the door on. And then the old boiler that's coming out had a 25 inch width, so we should be able to get it, past the. We've got a dryer and washing machine, should be able to get it through to get it out. It's an 80% steam. It's currently being vented out through a masonry chimney, so I've recommended that at the same time a new flue liner gets installed. You'll notice that we've got a water heater within proximity. That's also sharing the same vent. So I'm going to include installing coming back with a new water heater at the same time, 80% efficiency. In terms of the gas connection, you can see it coming in. It's a 2-inch feed. And there is an isolating valve you can see to shut off. In terms of the pipework, it's in good shape. I don't see any environmental issues. I don't see any asbestos anywhere. There is a little bit of corrosion on some of the vent connections, which you may be able to tidy up at the same time, and even a little bit of corrosion on some of the pipework. But all in all, access is good, and we're able to get the old equipment out, new equipment in. That's it. I'm going to check outside and just have a look at what's going on with that chimney. That's it.